Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Spotify black screen on PC. It could be Windows 11 or 10. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your search bar right here. Click on it. Now type down Spotify, like so. Now go ahead and go to the right side. Click on App Settings, okay? Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, scroll down a bit. Okay, you're going to want to click on Terminate. Once that's done, click on Reset. Click on Reset once more. Wait for the process to finish. Now do not close this window yet. Got to find Spotify. Open it and check if it helps, okay? If simply clicking on Open right here doesn't work, make sure to click on Run as Administrator, okay? Now, if none of them works, go back to this window right here. Click on Repair. Wait for it. Now go ahead and open up Spotify once more. Either open or run as administrator, and you should be good to go. Now, if that doesn't work, click on Uninstall right here. Uninstall. Wait for the process to finish. To double check, you can go ahead and go back to install the apps right here and find Spotify. If you can't find it, go ahead over to your Microsoft Store. There you go. Click on it. Now just re-download Spotify from here. Okay, click on Spotify, click on install, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.